Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple friends from Snapchat. So let's dive into our video. Let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Tap onto your profile icon. You'll get to see your profile interface. Scroll down and select My Friends. In this interface, you can see all of your Snapchat friends. As we all know that Snapchat doesn't have the option of deleting multiple people at once. So instead, what we can do is click on the particular profile, tap on the three-dot menu, select Manage Friendship and select Remove Friend. This is the only option to remove friend from the Snapchat. Hope in future the Snapchat provides the option of deleting multiple friends at once. So this is how you can remove multiple friends from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video and thank you for watching.